guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaishali and you are watching YOLO Redefined. So in my last video, I promised you all that today I will be bringing a content which is really informative and interesting for you all. And I guess that you guys have gone through the title of the video and of course the thumbnail. And I personally hope that you people find it interesting. So in this video, I will be talking about that how I personally got more than 100% of salary hike, that too in a very extreme lockdown situation. And this is not any Lakshmi chit fund. We are not going to double up your money in 21 days.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
So it actually took me 2 years to achieve this milestone. So this all is really authentic and I really hope that this is going to be useful for you all. So before proceeding ahead with the video, I just want to put 3 points in front of you all. The very first point is that when I thought that I will be making a video on this topic, then I went to YouTube and I searched for a topic related to this, but there is actually zero content available on YouTube regarding to this topic. So I will recommend you all that please stay tuned to this video till the very end, because eventually it is going to be beneficial for you all. The second point is that this video is entirely going to be in English because I want to reach the maximum population of this country. And don't worry, this video is not going to be any Shashi Tharoor English. It is just going to be our desi, normal Indian English. The third point is that I have a special bonus tip using which you can actually get more salary when you are negotiating with HRs. So guys, I have segmented this video into 5 segments. The very first thing is this which industry I'm talking about who is ready to pay you this much amount of money. The second thing is that why is that industry is ready to pay you that much amount of money. The third thing is that what is the basic qualification which you require to enter into this industry. The fourth thing is that what are the skill sets which you will be requiring in order to make your entrance in this industry. And of course, the final point that how you can earn as much money as I'm making and even more. Wow! So yeah, coming to the very first point, that which industries I'm talking about, and you must have seen in my title of the video that the industry I'm referring to is data science industry. So what you all people can do, that you all can go to Google, not right now, after this video, and you can just search for hot jobs in 2021 or highest paying jobs in 2021, of course related to IT industry. And the results which you will find, it will be either artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analysis, business analysis, deep learning, neural net, cloud engineer and things like that. So the industry which I'm talking about is data related industry. Now the second question which comes up is, why is this industry ready to pay you this much amount of money? So to answer your question, we are basically moving into a world which is very data driven. When I say data driven, it means that most and majority of the companies are focusing on personalization at this point of time. To explain you personalization in very simple English is that showing you ads or products which are relevant to your needs and requirements. The basic example of personalization is that YouTube or Spotify playlist you listen to. And of course the Myntra, Amazon and Facebook ads you see every now and then. If you want to know more about personalization, just comment down below and I will make a separate video on this topic. Now coming to the most important thing, that what is the basic qualification which you require for you to get started into this career. So any person who holds any technical degree in bachelor's, in BE, so any person who holds any technical degree, be it BE or BTech, they can easily get started into this career. It might happen that during the time of campus placements, sometimes what happened that these companies might not allow students from chemical engineering or civil engineering or mechanical engineering, but that doesn't mean that these students cannot apply for this particular field. But the next question is that can a non-technical person enter into this field? The answer is yes. So, if you are from a statistical background or mathematical related background, you can easily enter into this particular field. But again, our next question, what if you are from commerce background or you have done BBA, BCA and things like that? Can you also make a switch into this career? And the answer is yes. You obviously require some sort of certification or hands-on experience or the skill sets which are required to enter into this field. But yes, if you really want to enter this field, this is possible for you all. It might be more difficult compared to technical field students, but yes, it is not impossible. You can enter into this field. Now coming to the next very important thing, that all this time I was talking about skill sets and all of that. So what skill sets you actually require to make your entry into this field? So in case you are a fresher or you are a working professional, but you want to switch your career from XYZ to data science, of course. So what are the skill sets which you are required? And I cannot emphasize enough that SQL is the most important thing which you require in order to make your entrance into this field. If you want to know more about SQL, just comment down below and I will make separate video for SQL altogether. I will include all the questions which are asked in any interview related to SQL. After that, you gain enough confidence in SQL, you can switch to any of the reporting tool which is Tableau or Power BI in the market. And then that's all. These are the only two things, SQL and any reporting tool, which can be Power BI and Tableau, and you are ready to make your career with data. If you know these two things, you can easily get a job into data field. Obviously the package will differ, it depends upon a lot of factors, upon your soft skills also. So I cannot promise that you can get a 10 lakhs job after right after this, but obviously you will be able to make quite decent amount of money with this much amount of skill sets. Now coming to the most important segment, that how can you actually get 100% of salary hike, or you can make a 6-digit salary figure. For that, what you have to do is, once you have made your entry into the data science field or data industry, after that you can work upon R or Python language, you can work upon modeling exercises, you can work upon statistics also. If in case your current job is not able to provide you that much amount of exposure, you can practice all this on the platform called Kaggle. And that's all within maybe 1 year or maybe 1.5 years. I cannot promise you the timeline, but you will start making that much amount of money in just 3 years of your work experience. Now comes the time of bonus tip, which I promised you all in the starting section of my video, which is how can you actually get more salary when you are negotiating with HRs. So it applies to all the industries and all the job profiles. So what you can do is that when you are negotiating with HRs, or you want to propose the amount of expected CTC, what you can do is that you can go to Glassdoor and you can just search like that data scientist salary in XYZ organization, and there you will find the average amount of salary which gets rolled out to the employees. Obviously the numbers are not that correct, but obviously you can rely on those numbers and can actually ask a bit more than that, and if it will be there in that band limit, they will try to offer you that much money. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. If you did like the video, please do like and subscribe. And if you have any person in your family or friends who you think that they can be benefited out of this video, please like and share. Please share the video with them. Thank you.